Today, we're going to use fraction models to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Sometimes arrays will be difficult to do. For instance, in this problem, where we have 3/4 times 2. Very difficult to make an array of 4 wholes when we only have 2. So what do? We look at the 2 wholes and we draw 2 circles. So we look at the whole number first. Let me underline that. And that's going to tell me the number of circles I'm going to make. In this case, I will make 2 circles. Slightly crooked, but you get the point. Then I look at the denominator. The denominator is 4. That tells me the number of parts each circle is going to have. So each circle is going to have 4 parts. Watch me as I add the 4 parts to each circle. Make sure I'm in. That's 2 parts. And I've broken those 2 parts in half. That's 4 parts. I'm going to do the same thing with the second circle. Next, I look at the numerator, and that tells me how many parts I should shade in each circle. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I need to shade 3 parts in each circle. 3 parts in each circle. Now, when I'm multiplying a fraction by a whole number, I could also think of it as repeated addition of a fraction. So I have 3/4 here plus another 3/4. I'm going to add my numerators up. 6. And we know we can never add denominators, right? Adding denominators, no good. So I'm going to just use the same denominator. This is the answer for my problem, 6/4. However, it is an improper fraction, and improper fractions are also a no-no. How do we change our improper fraction to a mixed number? Remember, we divide our denominator. We think about how many pieces in our denominator can go into our numerator. 4 goes into 6 how many times? 1. The numerator is going to handle my remainder, and the denominator will stay 4. So 4 goes into 6 1 time. That leaves me with 2 left over, which will go in the numerator. As I've said before, the 4 will remain the same. Let's look at this. 1 2/4. Can I reduce that at all? Can I simplify this fraction 2/4? I know I hear all of you saying yes. 2/4 can be divided by 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Two divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So my final answer to this problem, 3/4 times 2, is 1 1/2.